Parliamentary Association.
Okurigira hari Thomas Tayebwa abakuru b'amadini bashemerire bakozese kanisa zabeze barikwebembera kureba ngo muzego okutuntuza abakazi hamwe n'abishiki gwarwanisibwa.
That marriage is a force dictated on me by the elders of the land.
Ishengero rohereze kutongoza 2016 byesirwe 16 days of activism ebigenderiro kureta hemiringo yo kurwanisa okurubatira obugabe bw'abantu.
We have to refocus and we look at the drivers. What are the drivers of country? Mainly poverty, alcohol, and these primitive beliefs that a man is above a woman, even when the woman is feeding a man.
Minisita w'eminyeto hamwe n'enshonga z'abana yashaba bazire kureka kushorora abana babo kureka babegese ngo omwana w'omwojo nayingana n'ow'omwishiki.
Lifetime prevalence of intimate partner sexual violence was at 36%, whereas physical violence among ever partnered women was 45%. The survey has revealed that 47% of the women face economic violence.
When we talk about violence against women, it's not only physical violence. There is online violence against women. You have seen this. You all know about the most recent case. I don't want to talk about it. But violence against women occurs in different forms. Close to 6,000 girls in this country are trafficked.
Ehureje ya 16 days of activism yasigaza y'ebiro bishatu byonka kwa kandi abanyishenjero bariyo nibegesa abantu ahanshonga zo kurinda obugabe bw'abakazi hamwe n'abishiki gasha kwa Jime Mhumza.